Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing the damaged grid. Remove the ear pad and any retaining ring so you can access the grill. Once done, inspect the hole size, framing lip, and any foam residue so you know what to replace and where adhesive will bond. Make sure screws and clips go into a small labeled tray to avoid loss. You'll work precisely, so set up your tweezers, replacement mesh, and isopropyl to clean the mating surface before applying any patch. Now you cut the replacement mesh to fit and test fit it under the grill lip to verify overlap and alignment. After that, apply a thin, even bead of flexible adhesive to the frame. Less is more. Glue on the driver surface muffles sound. Next, position the mesh with tweezers, smooth it so it lays flat, and clamp or hold steady for the adhesive tack time. Make sure edges are adhered to the frame so the mesh won't peel during use. You finish by reassembling the grill, retaining ring, and ear pad tightening screws just to hand tight so you don't strip threads. Then test with familiar audio at moderate volume and listen critically for muffled highs or rattles. If sound is off, you may have adhesive blocking the driver or the mesh misaligned. Carefully reopen, trim excess glue with a cotton swab and isopropyl, or reposition the patch. If the driver itself shifted, reseat it before closing up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.